Hello everyone, welcome back. Another AI video. This is a quick one. Going to show you how to browse the internet with ChatGPT. Just came out today. It was available a little while ago and then it went away and now it's here. No plugins, no workarounds. Let's go. First off, chat.openai.com. Go to the website on the left side, go down to the bottom. You'll see the three dots, also known as an ellipses. Click on that and then you get some options. My plan, custom instructions, settings and beta. Click on settings and beta. And then you'll get a few more options here. Go down to beta features, and under beta features, all you need to do is toggle this one little switch on. It says browse with Bing, and then it's basically going to go ahead and connect the Bing browser with ChatGPT. From there, go to the top here. You'll see this little button, the GPT-4 button. Hover over it. Then you get a few options. The one you want is browse with Bing. Make sure there's a check mark beside it, and that is literally it. You are now browsing the internet using real-time data inside ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.